They're like $10
So
a
I think
piece.
you're lying.
Lucas, this is
I'm not
Thea,
gonna
by the
say
way.
it without a word.
We're recording.
Alright, me get this stuff.
It was worth sleeping with
you wanna
you.
get
Oh my god, the relief, you have no idea. After everything finished, a bunch of people walked out.
Where are we going?
We're making a Hello Neighbor video. It's recording right now, right? We're making a Hello Neighbor video. But no. Yeah. Yes. Bye.
I'm playing some Roblox or something.
Well, we're just playing. We're just gonna keep this video until we can post it. Wait, look behind you. There's like a missing poster. What the? There's a missing poster behind you. No. Yeah, missing. Yeah, those are missing posters. Where'd the ball go? The ball go down. It doesn't. Oh, there it is. Cut scene in 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Probably is. Oh no. We're gonna go check it out. I would not check it out. Let's get up. Why would you do that? Oh. Cutscene. Oh my god. Why does the crow seem like a human? He freed out there. Wait. Lucas. Yeah, there's a zombie in there. I know. You have to do a grab. I am doing it. No, that's grab. Oh. You can throw it at him. Want to try to throw it at him? Yeah. Oh. He's not there. But when he's running at you, throw it at him. You need to get in his yard. Then he'll come. Where? The frick is he? He's doing it, come. He's coming. Oh. He doesn't care about his window. He's right there. Oh. But he's not outside to try to get us. Oh, wait, why is he running? He's in the yard. He's running. Wait, go hide. Oh, I thought that was him. Behind her. Go behind the car. Well, he's just running around the house. Oh, there he is. That's how his head. Pick it up. He's in this room. Oh. One of them should grab his attention. Open the door, there. Yo. Wait, is he coming? Wait, turn around. Go in his yard. I think I'll chase after you. Go in his yard. You have to get out somehow. You can't jump. I don't know why. Oh, you can do it. It's kind of like you can go out. You have to jump out. Jump out. Jump. Oh, we lost him.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait until he gets back in his house.
I guess we're just on a mess with him.
Yeah, there you are.
Today's episode, we're just on annoy the nuts out of neighbor.
Close the door. Close the door. Why do you want him to close the door? Oh, you smart. You big brain. Now jump on the roof. Jump on the roof. You made it.
Now what?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get the red key, but I don't know.
It's inside.
I know, but
You don't want
no. Oh my god.
Run! Run! You have to jump. Run!
He's scolding you.
Wait, what happens if you go in the yard while he does that? Why does he not get you when you're in that yard, but when you're in the fence, he gets you?
Hey, go on your roof. Yeah, you're over there.
Alright, let's go, Lane. I'm going back. Oh, you sleeping?
Wait, you asleep? He's sleeping. Wait, I think you have to get on the other one. Turn. No, the other one, Lucas. No, Lucas. No, Lucas, the other one.
Oh, you probably do.
Yeah.
Look behind you. He's trying to scold you. He's scolding you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, wait, can he make it up there? Oh! Oh gosh.
Oh my god. You freaking make it up there. You freaking make it up there.
I'm just gonna...
You can't.
Yeah, I can.
Turn behind you. You can't go on the crossway. You stupid kid. You go on it? Oh, wait. Just stay on that lawn. He doesn't attack you on that lawn. How about we just leave?
No!
Oh, he can? He can. You stupid.
You better go back inside of that house right now.
Or else we'll smack you and whack you and tack you. Wait, no, you're not supposed to go on the roof.
Yes, we are, so we can go in that window. Wait, we need to get
I don't
something.
think you could go in the window.
Yeah, we need to get something to break the window with us. Yeah, I'll just bring a whole chair.
Yeah. Just bring. Wait, you want to bring the table?
What the?
You want to bring the table?
No, I think the chair is
Wait,
good.
just chair. Press the chair button. What does chair do?
I don't know.
Just press chair.
I'll do it after I die, probably.
He's going to find you.
Oh no, I definitely gotta go here first.
Wait, you didn't? How?
What was...
Wait, can you make it up there?
No!
No! Wait, it doesn't do. Why don't you just do the... Oh no, run! Run! No, he can't get you on this.
I have this to defend myself. Watch this, guys. Hey!
Oh, frick.
How did I not?
He's strong. Hey, Dumbo. What does it do? You have to wait till he's inside again. Go inside. We need you to go inside.
He just jumped in the window.
What?
He just jumped through the window. Oh, you
wait,
mad?
Wait.
Oh, you mad? You kicked that.
Run. Run. Oh, it does do something. You freaking hit him. Just wait until he's inside. And then
Yo!
do it.
He just kicked my trash can.
Yeah, take that, stupid.
Why did... Oh my gosh!
He could jump. Oh my gosh. He could freaking jump. Hey, stupid.
You didn't hear that?
Hey, stupid.
How dumb can Hello Neighbor be?
Probably Dunkle neighbor. He's probably really dumb. Jump now.
Actually,
I think you're actually supposed to be here.
I didn't bring anything with me.
Do you want to see what the chair does with the chair button? You want to see what the chair button does?
Alright, fine. Here's the chair.
What's the chair?
It doesn't do anything. I don't know.
Wait, can you hold multiple things at once? I think you can.
Yeah.
And why aren't you? Then if you lose something because you want to throw it at the neighbor, you could have more.
Oh, I made it again.
Jump. You almost didn't make it. He's coming! Get up!
He's not coming.
Don't go down there.
Yo!
You!
I didn't know he would be able to get there. Alright, guys. That's going to be the end of the video. Bye.